We were promised the world of tomorrow, with smart homes that would simplify our life. But even with new homes today, they fall short. Follow along as I update my home with the latest in smart home tech. Alexa, want to help?
Sure thing. Make sure to subscribe and click the thumbs up. AI like me needs positive reinforcement.
Well, let's get started with the heart of the system, Home Assistant. Home Assistant is home automation software that can be ran on computers or Raspberry Pi. It can control smart thermostats, smart switches, alarms like Ring, LED strips, and everything else using ESP boards. Home Assistant can run routines and automations on its own. You could interface it with desktop and smart devices like Echo and Google Home. So let's start the install. Go to Home Assistant IO. Click on Getting Started. Under Software Requirements, click on your device. There are pre-compiled versions for many devices. I'm going to select Raspberry Pi 4 32-bit. Once that's downloading, click on Balena Etcher. Balena Etcher allows us to take the image we downloaded and install it on the SD card for the Raspberry Pi. Click the Download button and choose where to save the executable. With your SD card connected to your computer, launch the Balena Etcher executable. Click Flash from File and navigate to where you downloaded the Home Assistant image and select it. Make sure your SD card is selected, then click Flash. Once completed, eject your SD card, insert it into your Raspberry Pi, and power it on. Your Pi should be connected to your local network through a hardwire. Navigate a web browser to homeassistant.local, port 8123. You will see it loading. Once finished, enter your info to create your Home Assistant account and click Create Account. Now give the instance a name and set your location. Home Assistant may discover some devices automatically. We won't worry about that for now and click Finish. Now we have Home Assistant installed. In the next videos, I will show you how to install and configure smart devices to work with the Home Assistant. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss them.